Hi everybody, I'm Suman Matthews, and the video which I will be presenting today is a video on statistics. It deals with combined mean and standard deviation and mode. This is a topic of grade 11 maths and college maths. As an experienced maths teacher teaching mathematics for the past 25 years, in this video we would learn how to calculate mode for a discrete set of observations and also for a grouped and ungrouped frequency distribution. And the formulae for combined mean and combined standard deviation are also discussed. For a discrete set of values or an ungrouped frequency distribution, mode is the value with the largest frequency. For a grouped frequency distribution, mode is given by the formula L plus Fm minus Fm minus 1 by 2Fm minus Fm minus 1 minus Fm plus 1 into C, where L is the lower limit of the modal class, Fm is the frequency of the modal class, Fm minus 1 is the frequency of the class preceding the modal class, Fm plus 1 is the frequency of the class succeeding the modal class, and C is the width of the modal class. Also, mode equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. This is a relation connecting the mean, median and mode. First question, find the mode of the following observations. Here 2 occurs 4 times compared to all the other values. 1 occurs twice, 3 occurs 2 times. So mode is the largest occurring term, that is 2. So mode will be 2. Question 2. Find the mode of the following frequency distribution. Looking at the table, the highest frequency is 26, so the mode will be 15. This is a frequency distribution. The daily wages of 30 employees are as follows. So calculate the mode. Here the highest frequency is 10, so the modal class is 20 to 30. So looking at the formula, mode would be lower limit, that is 20 plus Fm is frequency of the modal class, which is 10, minus Fm minus 1, that is frequency of the class preceding the modal class, which is 8, by 2Fm, which is 20, minus Fm minus 1, which is 8, minus Fm plus 1, which is frequency of the class succeeding the modal class, which is 5, into C, that is width of the modal class, which is 10. So your mode is 22.85. Question 4. Find A and B from the following data given that mode is 37. When you add all the frequencies, you get the total frequency as 47. That is given to you. So we get 27 plus A plus B is 47. So A plus B is 20. So B is 20 minus A. Coming back to the formula, mode is 37. So 37 is the lower limit, that is 30 plus frequency of the modal class. Modal class is 15 because 37 lies in this interval. So frequency of the modal class is 15. So 15 minus frequency of the class preceding the modal class is A by 2 times Fm, that is 30, minus A minus frequency of the class succeeding the modal class is B, which is 20 minus A, into 10. 10 is the width of the class interval. Simplifying, we get 30 plus 15 minus A by 10 into 10. So 37 is 45 minus A is 8, and substituting for B as 20 minus A, you get B as 12. Now we come to combined mean and standard deviation. This is used in GRE problems and GMAT problems as well. If a group of N1 observations has mean x1 bar and standard deviation sigma 1, and another group of N2 observations has mean x2 bar and standard deviation sigma 2, then combined mean x bar equal to N1 x1 bar plus N2 x2 bar by N1 plus N2. Combined variance sigma squared equal to N1 sigma 1 squared plus N2 sigma 2 squared plus N1 into modulus of x1 bar minus x bar the whole squared plus N2 into modulus of x2 bar minus x bar the whole squared by N1 plus N2. So coming to a problem, a group of 35 values has mean 80 and standard deviation 4. A second sample of 65 values has mean 70 and standard deviation 3. Find the mean and standard deviation of the combined sample of 100 values. So N1 is 35, x1 bar is 80, sigma 1 is 4, n2 is 65, x2 bar is 70, sigma 2 is 3. So coming to the formula, x bar is n1 x1 bar 35 into 80 plus n2 x2 bar 65 into 70 by n1 plus n2, which is 35 plus 65. So you get the combined mean as 73.5. Combined variance sigma squared equal to, using this formula, n1 is 35, sigma 1 is 4, so sigma 1 squared is 16, plus n2 is 65, sigma 2 is 3, so 65 into 9, plus 35 into modulus of x1 bar is 80, 80 minus 73.5 the whole squared, plus 65 into x2 bar is 70, modulus of 70 minus 73.5 the whole squared by n1 plus n2, which is 100. Simplifying, you get sigma squared is 34.2 or sigma is 5.848. For more videos on statistics, subscribe to my channel.